Now, Trade Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya says he did nothing wrong when he ordered the release of an impounded consignment of edible oils found to be unfit for human consumption.
Munya says he did it to cushion the importer from financial distress. Munya also dismissed the DCI's claims that the oil could be harmful to consumers. NTV's Mel Miendo is still on that story.
A day after the DCI turned the hit on Trade Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya over a consignment of substandard edible oil that KEBS declared unfit for human consumption, Munya has waved away the DCI's charge. He says he did nothing wrong.
Because we've not allowed only for one, it's all of them. We are releasing that oil. We are releasing. And we have not released of it, we are releasing in bits.
KEBS found the oil had not been fortified with vitamin A, a requirement for all edible oils, whether imported or manufactured locally. DCI Director George Kinoti questioned the decision to release the oil, saying it could be harmful to consumers.
This oil is not harmful, it's just not fortified. That oil, once you use it for cooking, vitamins disappear. So even the requirement for fortification of oil is a debatable issue.
The DCI says it was blindsided by the dealings between the ministry, KEBS, the Kenya Ports Authority and the importer. But Trade CS, who has now perhaps jumped from the frying pan into the fire, says he only took the step to cushion the importers from financial losses.
I'm not justifying anything, I'm just saying we have to balance the need not to put those traders who bought those things in very serious financial distress, because they are also part of our society. Government participated in allowing them to bring those commodities into the country.
The CS, KEBS Acting MD Bernard Njiraini, Customs Border Control Commissioner Kevin Safari and KPA Managing Director Dan Manduku are among those who will be investigated. None of them has been questioned over this yet. Mel Miendo, NTV.